Cosmic Chrome PYT number 7 box. This is the second half of the case, guys. We should see a pretty nice second half. And if I don't, I'm going to blame my Tim over here. He might get fired if this isn't a good second half. Thank you, Janik. I really appreciate the push, brother. We're having a great Friday. Good little Valentine's. Yes, I did. Wait, what? Oh, damn it. Janik, sorry. Yes, hang on. I skipped the one. I don't know what happened. It didn't register the other one. That's the second time I did that today, as a matter of fact. Potentially, Alvin, yeah. I wouldn't mind doing one. That could be, yeah. You know, it's funny, talk Goldberg, so long as the price is right, yeah. Alvin, I'll ask it. If we have a full case push, I'm down to do it. Alvin, I'm totally down. The only reason we didn't really offer like too much full cases, to be honest with you guys, is primarily because we were building the room, Alvin, so... It's not that we don't want to do it. It's just I didn't want the break to sit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like, you know what I mean? But, like, yeah, we were experimenting a lot like that. We could do one, yeah. I'll check with Blez. I'll make sure. I'd be totally down to do a full case with you guys. I'd love to, as a matter of fact. What's up, Nate Hall? But yeah, Alvin, if you really want one, I'll do it for you guys. You got my word, I'm down. Because eventually we do want to offer that too, you know. I don't like hearing a rough shift. I mean, if it was rough in terms of, you know, you had to work a little bit harder for your payday. You know, I apologize about that, but at the same time, I'm very thankful that you still got a good job, still able to support your friends, family, spouse, all like that. Yeah, I got your back, brother. Hell yeah. Okay, all right, no, that's good. That's great. That's great. Well, sit back, relax, and strap on your seatbelt. You've never been on a ride like this before. With a producer who could break and want to be rap. And you know, and I know, I pull some funky shit to add to my collection. Recollection. I don't remember the words. But that's true. If you do, you got no clue what the homie the Hammer Dog came to do. It's like this and like that. Tell him, Krogos.
Krogos, the easy.
Krogos. What's up, Krogos? We made our goal, Krogos. Krogos, we hit our goal. We hit 500 subscribers today. I'm very proud. We did a lot of giveaways today, Krogos. We hit it, buddy. We did it. I'm so stoked. So next week will be 600. Next week will be 600. I want to do a reasonable goal. So next Friday, 600. I think that's reasonable. Then maybe we'll do another giveaway at like 1,000 subscribers or something like that. You know? Let's do it.
Give us a super in here. I haven't seen my first super.
You seen one?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay, he doesn't peek. I don't peek.
No,
so something
neither.
you need to know about me, I never peek.
No, I want a super.
Yeah.
Haven't seen one yet. Oh, good. Ready to go.
All right. Guess the first auto for 20, everybody. I forgot to throw out a guess. I love how clean our room is. I love how clean our room is. Hammer's like the Eagles at the peak. Good luck. Yeah, in this case, what if we hit a LeBron auto in this case? I'd be beyond stoked. Sorry, in the future, if you can just throw him on this way.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. Just that way, in case, like, you know, there was like a scratch on a card or something, and then nobody would blame us. I'm not saying they would, but. Aqua Shimmer of Anthony Davis. We had a lot of Anthony Davis today. I like it, Mango. Dick. Oh, gold. This might have ink. It does not. Oh, I thought that was going to say LeBron James. Leonard Miller for the Timberwolves. Rookie gold, 10 of 50. Nice hit for the Wolves. Telnimer. All right, we have some color. This is promising. Blue Pulsar. Jerry West, Lakers. Very nice. Cam. Halliburton. Harden on the nucleus. Refractor of Boofkin. Don't know how the Hawks always sit. Oh, come on. Where's an auto? I can't go 7 boxes with no autos. This is crazy. Jarace Walker. Nick Smith. Jaquez. Prosper Gasol. Wow. 7 boxes. William! What's up, William? That's a great first auto. That should be like $1 million in Blez bucks. Excuse me, Barry Bucks. Barry Bucks. Oh, come on, guys. What is going on with this case? Oh, there's a Victor. Aqua Shimmer of the Worm. Jaquez. A 3 black. Another go. Oh, here's an auto. Here's an auto. Come on. Be massive. Say rookie. Say something. Garnett. Oh, that's disgusting. Was that on the kill? No, Telemer got Donovan Mitchell to 50. On the Eclipse autograph. I love these autos. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. Or Equinox. Equinox, I'm sorry. I call it Eclipse. That's sick. Nice Donovan Mitchell. I honestly thought it might have been KG Garnett for some reason. Finally, our first auto. Nice hit. At least our first auto was a really good one. A really solid one. I know, maybe the shirt gotta fly off. You guys are spoiled with shirts off.
It came off yesterday.
Not really. Carmelo to 99. That's New York. Knicks. English. Nuggets. Nice scoot on the nucleus. That's on a kill for Yannick. One box left. Come on. This case has to be lurking something, guys. I'm dead serious. This would be one of the most disappointing cases I've seen if I don't see nothing else crazy. Should have another planet or two, right? Livingston? Maxwell Lewis, rookie to 149. Aqua Shimmer. Oliver Maxence Prosper, rookie. Lewis again. Middleton. Jamal Murray on the green to 75. Bilal, last stack. Good luck. Ooh, I see some orange. All right. All right. Take an orange auto of Wemby or something. Nice Ginobili to 99. Galaxy Greats. Pierce. Ooh, that's an auto. Ooh, that's an auto. Here we go. Man, 9 boxes in. The rest of these cases was kind of tough. Take your next ones. It kills the case. Take your next ones. It kills the case. Unbelievable. Not in a good way. Not in a good way. We better have 3 autos, 3 planets, and a superfractor in the next 3. Because aside from that Donovan Mitchell, this has been an atrocious case. Miles Turner on the Milky Way and Donovan Mitchell.